back to my channel. I'm back again with another haul, but this time is based on hair care essentials. All of the items that I'll be showing you are great for healthy hair maintenance. This haul includes a selection of products from various brands such as Luster's Pink, ORS, Creme of Nature, Jamaican Mango and Lime, and many more. Most of these products are available globally, so you can be able to access them online or also at your local beauty supply stores. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with this, the Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. I'm sure you've all heard about this because this is a product that's been trending for as long as I can remember, since it came out, I believe. But this oil is great for scalp treatment, it's great for hair growth, and also great for regrowing back thinning edges, because the main ingredient is rosemary and also peppermint. So this oil has mixture of different oils, like for example, like I said, rosemary, castor oil, peppermint oil, biotin, and so much. Like a lot of great natural oils in this. So this is really good. I heard that this works, so I'll see how it goes. So this is it again, and I can't wait to see how it will work on my hair. And the next thing I got is this Creme of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco, sulfate-free moisture and shine shampoo. So this is a shampoo that I've used many times before, and it's really good. This is really good for detangling your hair whilst washing, and it gives moisture and shine to the hair as well. So yeah, this is a really good shampoo. This is good for all hair types, whether you're natural or relaxed. It does the job. It does the job. This is really moisturizing. It doesn't strip your hair for moisture and stuff, so this is really good, and it's sulfate free, which is a bonus. So yeah, it cleanses your hair and scalp very well, and also leaves moisture too, and it has a lovely scent as well. I can't really explain it, but it's a lovely unique smell. I love the scent of this. This is a really good shampoo. So yeah, this is worth trying out. Next, I got this Tangle Teaser Detangling Hairbrush, and it's for fine and color treated hair. So this Tangle Teaser comes in different types of brushes, should I say, for different hair types. So like I said, I got the one for fine and color treated hair. I did purchase the one for, I think it's thick 4C hair, I'm not sure, but that one was just too rough for my hair, so I actually returned it and got this one instead. And this one seems to work better for my hair type, because the other one that is for coily hair, I feel I was losing more hair than with this brush, which is for fine and color treated hair. I don't know if I would say my hair is fine, but I think because it's relaxed, it's more delicate than natural hair types, especially thick curly hair types. So yeah, this is it. I love this color. It comes in all different types of colors. Yeah, I feel this is really great for detangling your hair. It really does the job. For example, when I'm using conditioner, I like to comb through it to distribute the product. That's when this brush comes in, and it really does a good job. I lose less hair with this brush. It's really good. And I also got this comb, which is the Wet Brush Detangling Comb. So this is what it looks like, and it seems to be flexible as well. So I haven't tried this comb yet, so I'm not sure how it will work on my hair, but I've heard lots of good reviews about this comb. I heard that it's great with detangling hair very well, so I can't wait to try this out. I got this on sale from Superdrug, so let's see how it is. And I like the fact that it's lightweight as well, so yeah, I love the pink shade of this too. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Next is this Got to Be Glued for Brows and Edges. So this is what it looks like. So this is for your brows and edges. It also says no stickiness, helps to protect hair from drying out, which is really good, because some gels can dry out your hair and cause flaking and also damage too. So yeah, I actually bought this for my edges, even though you can also use this on your brows too. Like if you want your brows to stay put, you can use this. Let me just show you it. Looks like a mascara wand, and I really like this brand Got To Be. I've got their Got To Be gel and I also got their spray, the well-known Got To Be spray. People use it not only for hairstyles, they're also using it to glue down their wigs as well. So this Got To Be gel in this format will be good for my edges. It will be good to slick down my edges, especially with the mascara wand. Like it'll just be easy for me to brush it and slick my edges well. I can't wait to use this and see how it works on my hair. Next I got this Jamaican Mango and Lime Black Castor Oil and Coconut. This helps to nourish, prevent breakage and add sheen and moisture. So black castor oil is really good for regrowing your edges and also great for thickening your hair. If you use this regularly, it will help thicken your hair. I got this with the coconut oil in it because coconut oil also is good for strengthening your hair and also can thicken your hair too. This can also be used for skincare as well, so you can apply this to dry skin and nails to restore hydration. This is a powerful all-purpose oil that you can use for hair and skincare. Because black castor oil can thicken hair, I will also be using it on my eyebrows and eyelashes as well, so it can help thicken and also grow them. So yeah, really good. This is a great oil. This is really good for hair maintenance. This is something that I would recommend you guys to get. It's really good. Next I got this Lustrous Pink Growth and Scalp Relief Natural Moisturizing Lotion. This is with castor oil, peppermint oil, aloe vera and vitamin E. This is one of Lustrous Pink's latest hair products, and I thought I should give it a try because I'm used to their pink oil moisturizer, so I thought let me give this one a try too. It does help moisturize your scalp and your hair too. I've tried it recently and I really like it. It makes my scalp feel really good. I really like it. I love the peppermint scent, and you definitely feel the tingles on your scalp when you're applying this. So yeah, this is really good. So yeah, this is worth trying out. Then I got another oil, which is the Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. This is an oil that I've used for many years, and for some reason I just stopped using it. So when I saw this at my beauty supply, I thought let me give this a go, because there was no reason for me to stop using this. I just stopped using it because I wanted to try other hair products. I wanted to try other hair oils. I love this oil. This is a multi-purpose oil for hair, bath, nails and body. So yeah, this is really good. I usually use this to do my hot oil treatments, and this really leaves my hair and scalp moisturized. Even when I wash out the oil, I still feel the moisture on my hair when using this oil for hot treatments. So this herbal oil is a mixture of different types of oils. It says it's also with extra virgin oil and many more. There's so many natural oils in this, and this doesn't contain mineral oil. So if you're someone that doesn't like to use mineral or petroleum, this is one to try out. Like, I really like this oil. I love the smell of it. It smells of baby oil. I can't wait to start using this again. Next I got this L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil Sublime Detangler Leave-In Spray with precious flower oils. I haven't tried this detangling spray, but let's see. It smells so good. If you're someone that uses L'Oreal Elvive products, you would know the lovely distinct scent of their line. Like, all of their products smell like this. It's a strong floral scent. I really love the scent of this. So yeah, this is a detangler leave-in spray. I haven't tried this yet, but hopefully this will work on my hair type. So yeah, let's see how this goes for me. Next I got this E45 Dry Scalp Shampoo. So it says it's a gentle, effective shampoo for dry, itchy scalp and dandruff. I tend to have flaky scalp sometimes, and it's not dandruff, it's just flaky scalp because I naturally have dry skin, so I thought I should give this a try. This I got from Superdrug, and yeah, I love E45 products. I love their skincare line, so I thought since they have a shampoo for dry scalp, hopefully it should work for my hair as well, because my hair can be dry and flaky sometimes. So yeah, hopefully this will work for my hair. Next I got this wig fix, which is specially designed to secure wig in place. So let me just show you what it looks like. So this is it. So this again is great for securing your wigs and to help your wigs stay in place. This comes in different shades. It comes in this, I believe this is the brown shade. It comes in black, brown, nude and blonde. Yeah, so I think this is something that you should try out if you're someone that's into wearing wigs. Okay, so the last product is this Blue Magic Shea Butter Hair Conditioner, and it's with coconut fruit extracts. So I love using Blue Magic hair products. I love how it makes my hair feel soft and moisturized. And I also use Blue Magic on my scalp too. So I usually use the Blue Magic in the green top, because that one is with olive oil, or I may use the coconut version. So when I was at my beauty supply, I thought, why not give this one a try, because this is one of the new Blue Magic hair greases that they came out with. They came out with this one, the shea butter with coconut fruit extract, and they also came up with another one, the olive oil version too. I think that's the one. I'll put it somewhere here. But yeah, so I thought, well, let me give this one a try. So let me just see how it smells. It's not a strong scent, but it smells good. Yeah, so I can't wait to try it. I'm sure this will work well on my hair too. And this is really affordable as well. It's also great to give your hair shine. Because this is petroleum based, a little goes a long way with this product. You don't want your hair to be overly greasy using these type of products, but this is really good. Like, I can't wait to start using this. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this hair care haul inspirational. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updates on my new videos. See you in the next one.